So hello everyone. So in this today's lecture, we'll be seeing some questions on files. So I have taken two text file related question and one binary file. Okay. So first, let us see what is the first question. Write a function in Python to read the content from a text file poem.txt line by line and display the same on screen. Okay. So we should read the file and we should write line by line content, and we should also print that one. Okay, so first let us go to Visual Studio Code. First let us create poem.txt in our assignments. Okay, and let us write some content first. Hello, first line. This is Python assignment question. Let us just save it. And let us write our function first. Read underscore file. And let us just take file equal to, let us open the file and we should get the directory first, right? Let us go to our desktop and let us go to our Python course assignment, and this is poem.txt. Let us copy the directory first. Let's copy this and let us write poem.txt and let us open this in the read mode. Okay, next let us write for I in line just using the membership operator, or let us write file. For I in file, print I, and let us close the file dot close, and let us make the function call read file. And now let us try to run this program. Okay, poem.txt. Okay, so we need to make the string, right? Raw string. Yes. Hello, this is Python assignment question. We got it, right? So we got every single line which is there inside the poem.txt. So this is the first question. Let us write file2.py. Now write a function to search and display number of books written by an author by using a data inside a binary file. Okay, so first let us create a binary file using .bin or .dat extension, and let us add 1 to 2 records into that one, and after that let us search for the number of books written by the author. Okay, so first let us create a binary file. Let us go into assignments and let us just write student, or let's write books. Let us just name it books.dat, and let us write code for inserting some data into that one. And this one is different, so I hope you guys pay attention. We use pickle module here. Okay, and add data, and let us just take a list first, data equal to an empty list. While true, let us run an infinite loop, and let us just take name. We should take the input name, right? Enter the name of the book, and let us take author equal to same, the name. Enter the name of author, and let us create a dictionary first to differentiate. Data 1 equal to, let us write book underscore name, and its key is book, or else we wrote name here, right? And next is author, and its key is author. and let us append this data into our empty list. That is, let us write data 1, and after that let us ask for user, and let us just take add more equal to int of input, enter 1 for adding more or 0 for exiting. Okay, and if add more is equal to 0, what we should do, we should break the loop or else it should run. Okay, so this is what happening. And after this, let us return this data, that is the whole data, and let us dump into our file. Open, and let us first get the books information, the directory. Books.dat, and let us make this string raw by putting an R and opening in the WME board. There is nothing but writing mode. Using pickle module, let us dump the whole data. And what is that? Add data function and F. That's it. And let us just close the file. F.close. And now let us create a function to find the number of books written by the author. Define counting, and let us just take name as an input. And now we should open this in write mode because we are trying to read it, right? Read the data, RB, and let us load this whole data of file F into a variable called B, and let us put count equal to 0. There is nothing but number of books. For I in B, if I of author, what is the key name? Author is equal to name, is equal to the provided name, we should increment the count. And after running of for loop, let us just close it, f.close, and after that let us just return count. Okay, and let us counting of, let us just provide a name xyz. And now let us try to run the program, and first let us try to insert some data. First this will be executed, right? First let us write, enter the name of the book. Let us just write book 1, name of the author. Let us put xyz, and 1, enter the name of the book 2. Let us also put xyz now, 0. Yes, that means we successfully inserted two books into the dat file, and you can see that here, and this is the only information which is readable by the computer. And what is happening here is, after the exiting the loop, and 2 is being printed. Why 2 is being printed? Because the number of books written by xyz is 2. Okay, so this is the second question, insert files. And now let us go into the third question. Write a Python program to assess if a file is closed or not. There is nothing but just checking whether a file is closed or not. Okay, so as being a good programmer, we should be closing our file without fail. Okay, so to check that one, let us open the same file which we used now. Okay, let us remove this. Yes. Okay, and now let us just use f.close it, and let's close it, print f.closed. Now let me just run it. Okay, so we are getting f.closed. Okay, that is just We need not to put the parenthesis to that one. It is a boolean value, right? We cannot call that one. So we got false and true. There is nothing but first we have opened the file, and without closing it, I am printing f dot close. That is nothing but it will return false. And after that, I'm closing this one, and again I'm printing what it is giving the output true. Okay, so this is the a small assignment on files. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, and do not try to ping us, do not forget to ping us, and we'll be there to help you guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.